how to factory reset your NeoStat. Firstly, just make sure that the power icon in the bottom left hand corner is highlighted by using left and right, so the square is around the power icon. Press and hold the tick for 3 seconds. You'll then see that setup appears in the bottom left. Press and hold the tick for 10 seconds. What will happen then is all the icons will be displayed on the screen, and then you'll get the option to select either 1 or 2. 1 is for a thermostat and 2 is for a time clock. So we want a thermostat, so option 1, press the tick. You'll then see that that has been reset.